Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Um, Today we have a special unboxing. Um, I've been gone for the past about 4 days. I went on a camping slash fishing trip, and yeah, so I have a couple packages on the way. I don't really know which one this one is, but I believe I know what it is. So let's just get right into the unboxing. So here it is. It says it's fragile, handle with care. So I'm pretty sure I know which this one is. So let's just get right into it. You know, I'm gonna stab with a pen. Well, that's how you break a pen 101. So that's done for. um, yeah, I'm done with the pen. Okay, this is garbage now. Um, yeah, let's. Uh, I guess manhandle it. Damn, they really didn't want anybody getting this package. See, this is where I need a pocket knife or something sharp to come in handy. Where I think I got it. Okay, that was one of the toughest freaking packages I've opened so far. I've all the unboxings. Alright, cool. So, get a box. And there's a note in here. So, sweet. I think this is just the packaging slip. Yeah, it is. I actually sent this out pretty quick. I bought it, and it came in like 2 days, literally 2-3 days. So really fast. But anyway, we got a little box here. So let's get the rubber band off. Pull this open. Ooh, it comes in this little baggie here. It's even got a gold top. Dang, they really wrapped this up nice. So I'm trying not to get my shadow to ruin the moment. Let's open that up. Oh, that thing is nice. Anyway, here it is. It is the Avalanche Championship ring from 2001. Pretty big ring. Pretty big ring as well. It's a size 11. If we can get that to focus. Does it want to focus? Yes. Anyway, here it is. Right there. You get the Stanley Cup champions with the Avalanche logo decorated in diamonds. Pretty freaking sweet. Oh, I love how this is on the side. You get the Ray Bourque, and if I can read it real quick, Colorado Avalanche. It's got the date of when they won. Or no, it says a Colorado Avalanche record 62, 16 and 10. That was the record. 77. It says teamwork on the bottom. See, if I can get that to focus up close. Not really focusing. Anyway, it says Bourque Avalanche record 62, 15, and 10. There we go. 77 teamwork. There's nothing on the inside. It's a huge freaking ring. Nothing underneath. And on the other side, you get, says, 2001 Stanley Cup Championship. And it's got the Stanley Cup trophy. It says defense. And it actually says 2-time Stanley Cup champions. And it's got the NHL logo. But yeah, that year their defense was on point, man. That team was freaking unbelievable. I'm gonna see what finger that. Yeah, I think this is another pointer finger ring. It's not gonna fit on any of my other fingers. This ring's freaking huge. Maybe the middle finger. Definitely not the ring finger. Yeah, pinky, no. Thumb could be a thumb ring. But no, I think pointer ring fits the best on the pointer ring. Anyway, that is freaking awesome. But yeah, this team was an awesome team. You had Sakic, Borcase, Final Ride, uh, Roy, all those guys. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Stay safe, and catch you guys in the next vid.